Living a place you hold dear can be a painful experience. Memories of the people you love, the moments you share, and the land where you feel you belong can all tug at your heartstrings. Sometimes life forces you to make a change. It hands you problems that seem insurmountable and impossible to solve. 2 years ago, we sat down and dreamed of a life together. We imagined leaving all our possessions behind, living in a minimalist lifestyle, and stepping out of our comfort zones to explore the world and learn about different cultures. Together, we believed it would be easier, more beautiful, and more fulfilling. But where would we go? To discuss our options, we headed back to our favorite place, Çıralı. Today, as we determine the country we will live in, Çıralı will help us.
I woke up early. Our most important rule is the early riser prepares breakfast. I tend to wake up early in the mornings too. Should we think about it again? Now, let me briefly explain the economic reasons why we have to go. The rent for our apartment has increased 6 to 7 times in the last 2 years. Due to inflation in the country, food prices have gone up considerably, but our salaries have only gone up 3 or 4 times. Because of these reasons, we had to cancel our dreams of traveling the world.
The economy has also affected our furry friends, Patso and Patik. There has been a sharp increase in the price of cat food and routine veterinary fees. Despite this, we can't leave the house without giving them their wet food. Our balcony holds a wealth of memories. It has been the site of countless discussions about our hopes, plans, troubles, and solutions. Before we set off, I'm taking a moment to attend to the plants. With our absence, I want to make sure they are well cared for. Patik is always ready for an adventure.
Kızım, geç içeri. Geç içeri.
Darting out the door every chance she gets. Her free spirit will soon be satisfied, as we have plans to take both our cats with us on a camping trip. There is something magical about escaping the city's hustle and bustle and immersing ourselves in nature's embrace. We feel a deep sense of happiness and contentment.
This is the Bungalow Hotel where we had our first vacation 7 years ago. We stayed in this exact bungalow, which holds so many fond memories for us. After this trip, we decided to move to Antalya to be closer to Çıralı, a place that captured our hearts during our stay there. To acclimate ourselves to the environment, we spent some time hanging out on the veranda. As we gazed out at the lush greenery and blue skies, we began dreaming our future and the exciting new chapter that lay ahead.
Last year, I completed my master's degree and decided to write a doctoral proposal on nature and environmental issues, specifically focusing on plastic pollution. Ideally, I wanted to complete this project at a university in my own country where we have significant problems with it. But despite applying to 4 universities in my country, I wasn't accepted because academic success alone is not enough to secure a place in academia here. You also need references from higher authorities. Nepotism is a must. What a system, huh? So we decided to consider 2 countries that we think are livable. And our first choice was Norway, where we hope to live one day in the near or distant future. We also applied to several universities in Canada, Australia, and Europe. We are eagerly awaiting the results, which will be announced soon. We expect to receive some responses within this month. Being immersed in nature and enjoying the moment was important to us. So we spent the night sharing all of our dreams and waited ambitiously for the day when the sun would rise for us. To enjoy the sunrise, we woke up early and headed to the beach.
It's not always easy to connect with every place you go, but sometimes you find a place that just feels like home right away. That's exactly how we felt when we first visited Chile 7 years ago, and it played a big role in our decision to move from Istanbul to Antalya. Now, as we plan to start a new life somewhere else, it has been a great help to us. We hope to never completely sever ties and return one day. Thank you, Chirali. We really love you.
So, will the future be what we think it will be?